Hi everyone, this is your Korean Sam, 강아.
And Gina. Today we're going to learn how to take a train. When you want to travel further, then you have to take a train, not subway. And here, there are several types of trains in Korea. The fastest ones are KTX and SRT. Also, the slower ones are 새마을호 and 무궁화호. So you can buy the tickets via mobile app called coreano. 코레일톡. In English, KORAILTALK. Also, you can just go to the train station and buy the tickets at the ticket office or through the automatic ticket vending machines. Okay, then let's take a look how to say properly in train station. 1번, you're at the train station and don't know where to buy. Then you can ask like this. A is you.
기차표는 어디에서 사요?
저기 자동 판매기에서요. Number 2, you're in the train and you just fell asleep and then you just wake up. But you don't know where it is now. So you can ask like this.
여기 무슨 역이에요?
대전역이에요. 3번. You want to buy the ticket at the ticket office, then you have to say like this.
부산 가는 1시 출발 KTX 한 장이요.
편도세요? 왕복이세요?
편도요.
네, 59,800원입니다.
네.
네, then let's review the vocabulary.
자동 판매기. 저기에 자동 판매기가 있어요.
역. 여기가 무슨 역이에요?
출발. 이 기차 언제 출발해요?
편도. 편도세요?
왕복. 왕복이세요? 좋아요. 우리 이제 기차 탈 수 있어요. 그럼 우리 다음 시간에 만나요.